Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience and get your dream job. सेबी लीगल के अराउंड एक र्यूमर आजकल मार्केट में चल रहा है एंड दैट इज, आई होप आपने अभी तक सुन लिया होगा और नहीं सुना होगा तो लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट दिस इज. देयर आर डिस्कशंस. व्हाट इज दिस र्यूमर ऑफ सेबी नोटिफिकेशन कमिंग अगेन? सेबी दोबारा आ सकता है, कब आ सकता है? सो लेट मी गिव यू सम फैक्ट्स why this discussion is going on, especially around SEBI General, SEBI IT, SEBI other streams. In 2020 and in 2022, the notification which came in January, the eligibility was same for all the streams. Whatever was the eligibility criteria in 2020, the same was followed in 2022. But then, in July 2022, SEBI IT notification came again. Two notifications for SEBI IT in the same year. Now, this was following certain amendments which were made by SEBI to employee service regulations. The amendments were about the eligibility criteria for the SEBI IT post. तो eligibility criteria थोड़ा change किया गया था. So this amendment was made in June and later we got the recruitment for SEBI IT in July. 14th July को recruitment आई थी. Now the same thing happened for SEBI Legal. There was another amendment made to the employee service regulations on 15th May 2023 with respect to desirable experience for legal stream. In addition to the qualifications specified for legal stream, 2 years post-qualification experience as an advocate, including as an associate in advocate or solicitor office or law firm after being enrolled, shall be a desirable qualification. This was inserted. 15th May को ये amendment किया गया था. And following this amendment, we got the SEBI recruitment for legal stream on June 22. Now, in October, there has been another amendment made, and this time the amendment is made in multiple streams. The amendment was made on 23rd of October. This amendment is made in general, IT, research, Rajbhasha. So legal को छोड़कर बाकी सभी में amendments हुआ है. Keeping this in mind, and based on what experts are saying, we are expecting SEBI recruitment to come soon, in December itself. Whether legal will be a part of it or not, that is something that we'll have to see. Legal का recruitment अभी चल रहा है. And I think by the end of November that will close. Interviews are being conducted right now. November end तक I am hoping result आ जाएगा. In the following recruitment which we are expecting, सभी streams के expected हैं because amendments are made in all the streams. Now, whether legal will be there or not, whether they have legal vacancies or not, that is something we'll have to leave up to the notification. Please see SEBI IT भी last time 2 बार आया. तो अगर इतने में requirement आ गई तो देख भी सकते हैं. So we'll have to leave it to chance and see SEBI legal आएगा या नहीं आएगा. अक्टूबर में ये amendments हुए हैं. By this November end, December में कभी भी हम notification expect कर सकते हैं. And we can even expect for multiple streams. So this is where this discussion related to SEBI notification has actually started from. I hope this gave you a little bit of idea of how this news is circulating. Today in the evening, I'm conducting a workshop at 7 p.m. for Mega B Legal course, which can help you in preparation of multiple exams. We can even have a discussion related to SEBI Legal there. If you are interested, you will have to register for this workshop. You will find the registration link in the description below. You can subscribe to this Legal B YouTube channel to stay updated with any upcoming information related to legal exams. This year, 36 of the students of our SEBI Legal course have reached interview. Thus, I can say, we at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with a crisp and concise content. Reach out to us on this number if you want to know more about our course. If you have any queries, you can also call us on this number. You can write them down in the comment below. Thank you.